25 quickly facts you didn't know about the sun. It takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach Earth. The sun contains 99.86% of the total mass of the entire solar system. In many ancient civilizations such as Egyptian, Mesopotamian, and Greek, the sun was worshipped as a primary deity. For example, in ancient Egypt, Ra was the sun god, credited with the power to create and sustain the world. The sun is composed of several layers: the core radiative zone, convective zone, photosphere, chromosphere, and corona. When solar wind particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, they create auroras known as the northern and southern lights. The sun is primarily composed of hydrogen, about 74%, and helium, about 24%, with trace amounts of heavier elements like oxygen, carbon, and iron. Sunspots are cooler areas on the sun's surface that are formed when the sun's magnetic field poked out on the surface. Did you know the sun lacks a solid surface like Earth? What we see is a 250-mile thick layer of plasma called the photosphere. The sun is classified as a G-type main sequence star. It emits white light that appears yellow due to atmospheric scattering. Did you know the sun, along with our solar system, orbits the Milky Way? It takes 230 million years to complete one orbit. Despite being a dwarf star, the sun's immense size could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. Yet compared to larger stars, it is relatively small. The sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona, is much hotter than its surface, reaching temperatures of up to 2 million degrees Celsius. During periods of solar minimum, when solar activity is at its lowest, Earth's upper atmosphere contracts and cools. While it is essential for life on Earth, the sun's powerful solar wind and magnetic storms can disrupt communication, GPS, and power grids. The sun's magnetic field undergoes periodic reversals with the magnetic north and south poles switching places approximately every 11 years. The amount of solar energy received per unit area at the top of Earth's atmosphere is approximately 1,361 watts per square meter. Behind the perfect movement of everything from planets to comets and even debris in our solar system is actually the sun's gravitational pull. Like earthquakes, there are also sunquakes. Solar flares can trigger seismic waves within the sun, causing it to oscillate like a ringing bell. The sun's temperature is estimated to be around 15 million degrees Celsius or 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The sun's magnetic field extends far beyond the orbit of Pluto. The sun's atmosphere extends far beyond its visible surface, reaching millions of kilometers into space. Did you know about solar rain? It occurs when hot plasma from the sun's corona condenses and falls back to the surface along magnetic field lines, just like the water cycle on Earth. The solar wind, especially harmful to planets like Mars with weak magnetic fields, can erode their atmospheres over billions of years, possibly explaining Mars' thin atmosphere. At times, comets approach the sun closely facing intense heat and gravity. These sun-grazing comets often disintegrate or evaporate. The sun loses a small amount of mass over time due to the continuous stream of charged particles in the solar wind. Thank you for watching all these sun facts. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next video.